Welcome to Evolution in Controls. I'm your host, Tim Wilson. Thank you for joining us. We're in Detroit, Michigan at the Automate 2025 show, and we're at the booth of Creative Automation, and I'm joined by Gerd Walter. Gerd, thank you for joining me.
Thanks for having me.
Tell me a little bit about yourself, how long you've been with the company, and what does Creative Automation do?
So Creative Automation's been around 31 years. I've been with it for 30 years.
Okay.
I was employee number 7.
All right.
So we are a robotics system integrator. We've been doing automation, started out with gantries, evolved into conveyors, merged into robots.
Articulated robots as well as...
Yep. Here we got an M1 Spider Delta robot.
Yep.
From Fanuc. And this is kind of new for us. We wanted to play with it. So
Okay.
we got one for the show to have fun with.
Well, Gerd, I'd like to ask you a question that I've been asking all of the exhibitors that we're talking to. We're going around talking to exhibitors and asking them the same question. So the question is, how is automation driving the design of the solutions and products that you're providing to your customers?
So since we are an integrator, automation drives everything. It is the solutions driving the technology, but basically new technologies allow us to offer new, more efficient solutions.
Okay.
So, we started out with gantries, which were very static, very limited. You get to robots, which are a lot more flexible.
Okay.
Now you're adding vision systems and AI, and they're getting even more flexible.
Okay.
And then the next evolution that is going on right now is increased talking to the factory, information systems, and
So it's not just about the mechanics, it's about the flow of the information.
it is getting very much to be about the flow of the information. And then you take that information, the customers take that information, they use it for analysis, improvement in their products. We can take the information, use it in improvements in the process, make the systems work better. You got some systems with artificial intelligence, direct feedback, and it can improve the system right then and there as it's working.
So you're integrating the automation, but you're also handling not just the mechanics, but the information as well.
Yep, it's a very key component of it, the information. You might have heard of edge computing.
Yep.
There's some edge computing going on in the factory where you process the information at the factory for the information,
Yeah.
the operations directly on the factory. And then they also take some of the data and they pump it back up for further analysis wherever, to improve the product.
Gerd, I appreciate you taking just a couple of minutes to talk to us, and thank you. Oh, by the way, what am I looking at here? Can I push the button?
Yeah, push this button. Basically, this is just a fun demo cell to show the speed of the M1 robot.
Okay.
Basically, old-fashioned shuffle game. So.
Three card Monte.
Yep, so keep your eye on the ball.
Okay.
Just see the robot. Now, pick a button.
Oh,
Don't get a golf ball.
I don't get a golf ball. Well, Gerd, listen, thank you very much for taking the time.
Thank
Pleasure
you.
talking to you today.
It was a pleasure having you.
Thank you for joining us. To learn more about Evolution Motion Solutions, visit us at evolutionmotion.com. Don't forget to subscribe to Evolution in Controls on whatever platform you use for podcasts or on YouTube for a video version so you can be notified when we release new episodes. Thank you again for joining us here at Automate 2025. Remember, keep moving.